Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best Mother's Day gifts that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Amazon Basics Neoprene Workout Dumbbell. Get yourself fighting fit with this set of 2 dumbbells for home gym, each weighing 20 pounds, especially designed for resistance training. The neoprene coating ensures a secure and easy grip on the dumbbells and also prevents the floors from getting scratched. The dumbbells are color-coded and have their weight printed on the end cap for easy identification. Their hexagonal shape keeps them stable and prevents them from rolling. These dumbbells are ideal for exercising both at home and fitness classes, ensuring a comfortable workout. Moving on at number 4, we have Depolarized Vintage Sunglasses. The American Square Jackie O Cat Eye Design Sunglasses is very eye-catching, which is a perfect fashion accessory to go with your outfits. It is very suitable for various occasions, such as posing for photos, going out for dates, traveling, daily use, and so on. These sunglasses are with polarized lenses which can block almost 100% of the reflected lights effectively, reduce eye strain, offering you a better view experience in the sun compared with non-polarized lenses. They are not only stylish to wear, but also protect your eyes better and provide you with greater comfort. You won't feel heavy when you wear them for a long time. At number 3, we have Beast Blender in Carbon Black. To start, this blender is built to last. The base is made of a powder-coated aluminum and the vessel is made of Triton. This means the vessel's walls are thick, durable and leak-proof. That's not even touching on the fact that it can sense the temperature inside of the blender to prevent overheating. It also is smart enough to track the blade speed and continuously adjust so that it's using the most efficient speed and torque. You might have noticed that there's only one button, the power button. This makes it super easy and straightforward to use. Press the button down for more than 1 second and a minute-long pre-programmed cycle will start. At number 2, we have Body Restore Shower Steamers. Body Restore is an innovative personal care company that stands to redefine the routine of a daily shower. These shower bombs now allow you to enjoy the benefits of a bath bomb, standing up. The Energized shower bombs come in a variety pack of 12 with 3 different scents to choose from. Infused with citrus, grapefruit, and cocoa orange essential oils imported from the UK that come in a strong empowering scent that will help you kickstart your mornings with a blast. This aromatherapy shower melts, which will dissolve in your bathtub and release potent aromatherapy essential oils that will help you immerse in deep relaxation. And finally at number 1, VenturePal 40L Lightweight Packable Day Pack. For an ultralight day pack with a smaller price tag and a greater carrying capacity, consider this 40-liter pack from VenturePal. Although this pack boasts the carrying capacity of a large carry-on bag, it weighs a mere 11.2 ounces. It easily tucks into its own pocket so you can stow it in your luggage without sacrificing significant space or weight. In addition to its larger capacity, the VenturePal Lightweight Packable Day Pack is made with tear-proof water-resistant nylon and a double-layer bottom piece that makes it suitable for carrying heavier loads. Multiple internal compartments keep your belongings organized, and a separate waterproof pocket is useful for keeping wet items separate. With padded shoulder straps and an adjustable chest clip, this high-quality pack is comfortable to carry, even when it's packed to the brim. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.